guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. For my returning subscribers, welcome. You know, I'm always appreciative of you coming back and showing love. So if you want to know, get the details about this wig that I'm wearing, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah.
Hey guys, so the wig that I'm reviewing is this wig by Bobbi and it's part of their TrulyMe collection, and I got it in the style MLF590 Jimmy, and I have it in the color F1B30, and it's supposed to it has a 5-inch deep parting space, which is nice. I love the parting space, and it's ready to wear. It has an HD transparent lace, hand tie lace part, easy fit adjustable straps, and it has like all the different colors on the back, which is nice. And it's supposed to be supposed to have UVA protection, antibacterial, and it's breathable. I guess it's nice, and it's heat safe. It doesn't say to what degree, but I did use heat on it. I used my flat comb and, like, you know, to press the lid, the top a little flatter, because it was a little poofy. It had a humpish situation going on. But I like the color. I like the 1B30. It's like a nice natural color. So you can get this unit from Wig Types, Elevate Style, between $26 to $28. Depends on the color you choose. I'm sure if you choose like all these specialty colors and whatnot, they'll be upcharged. But I like the hair. I like the density. I feel like it makes it look really nice and natural. For me, at least. The baby hair, I feel like the baby hair is a little too thick. You could go in and pluck it a little if you want, but I mean, it's 2022. Do you want thick baby hair? That is so long ago. That's just my opinion. But it was shedding. Like whenever I rub my hands through it, there's like strands that's coming out, which is not, it's not okay. But then again, it's synthetic, so you get what you pay for, I guess. But other than that, I like it. It's not tangling or whatsoever. I will rate this probably an 8 out of 10. That's, you know, it's a good unit. I like it. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what it looks like all around.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw, but it has like a nice, it has layers to it, which is nice, and it's pretty long. It stops me close to my waist, so she'll be long. I think over time you're gonna have to cut it, you know, because it will be shedding and it will tangle in over time, so you'll have to definitely cut it and make it shorter, which I think it will look really nice short. But make sure you have on your notification bell and you're following me on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. I haven't posted a lot on on TikTok, but make sure you're following me just in case I post up there. You don't want to miss out. Okay, let me know what you think about Jimmy. Let's talk about it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.